Well, Sambu, Kusha and Kabo, welcome to Pulse Africa Online Television right here on the channel with me where the reports are precious Amabel Levy. Today na the three inside salon and specifically Freetown inside we don't see the government don't put measures in place for see how they can trace. Then one day we come in contact with people the way they say get the coronavirus, and in case you they wonder because the cow don't hear it from people them say waiting at the corona now one sick where they ravish where they turn over the one old wall where you know they choose whether you na leader, whether you na citizens, whether you na money man, you na poor man, you know they choose. It attack you, and when you attack you, if your immune system if you don't meet and find if you meet so after sick then they inside it now then they can cause death. So then in a corona and salon we all know say the country where we did the healthcare system not a top-notch one, and so because of that the government they try all kind of way for system and prevent this sickness. As at now we don't get 6 cases them now the country, and so because of that they kind of modalities there, so now they don't put in place even though it's challenging because some community they go because of basic necessity like water people and they gather, and because of basic necessity like food where some are not able to get acquire food for say 3 days, if they go to their neighbor house and that walk away they walk on the street, it means say it will must meet up to somebody in German. And so today we then I so we the talk with disabled people them where the social workers them done they feed for the past months and years, and this year yeah, so this 3 years lockdown we don't see say citizens them in and out of salon don't send them donation, and then donation they are so they're not able to give them people they are so morning where they give them breakfast, and even something where then they give them lunch, and over 150 people they don't benefit from this wire.
Okay.
They are not sleep. All the illegal lockdown, all do not sleep. Now the tell Papa government, the government said peace, the ocean has it. Now they still council. You can know it. Now, at the time for government, if the government make a free operation, civil, I will push you out. As a block push you out, I will slap you. Now this is London. Say government. Sorry for me. I need to share because I don't know. I need to share. Government said please. So I thank you.
Adia the Thomas Garden, a Kaleku, Noga Mamaya, or Noga Papaya. So, we plead to the government, what they don't do for who you want to win us. We plead to the government, let them help for that study. The coup, Noga Mamaya, or Noga Papa, some more than I am under who now will live. If you're able to give it, you're not able to survive. Person are sorry for me. My name na Minenya Kesaba. My mama na ina be keep party sebo. When I made your kula samba, na mi umo midane. So I dey pray to the big one there. Let them able assist for who they na sleep so no get mama and papa there. Let them help like me na sleep at the lead. Now they are the survive with what are the all. Now yeah at the another also side the sleep. Another south side the sleep. Now sleep and sleep. Now that is all the life.
Now who did that in the comment daddy? All this flower we there na me planter. High court. To the comments garden and me planter. And do everything. Now what's that the problem? The young mother already there would help himself with the work. We do everything. We will help you look at buckets now for wash hand.
Well, Fambul, na so the 3-day lockdown mean and inside salon, usai citizen them in comply with government. Reporting for Pulse Africa TV, Mina Precious Amabel Levy.